Today, I'm going to explain why the FERPA and FCRA Violation Dispute Playbook is one of the most important tools you can use to fix your credit, challenge illegal student loan reporting, and protect your privacy. Most people do not know this, but your student loans are legally classified as educational records. That means your loan servicer, lender, or a debt collector cannot report your student loan information to any credit reporting agency unless you gave written FERPA consent. And in most cases, consumers never signed anything. If they cannot produce that written consent, they are reporting your information illegally. When you combine FERPA with the FCRA, you gain a legal strategy that can force deletions, corrections, and even damages when your rights are violated. One of the most powerful tools inside the playbook is the core dispute template. This letter forces the servicer or collector, as well as the credit reporting agencies, to prove they have the right to report your student loan. They must produce original documentation and written authorization. If they cannot do that, the law supports deletion. This is where most people begin seeing results. The playbook also gives you real case law you can reference to strengthen your disputes. Cases like Hinkle versus Midland and Bershaw versus Northland, when you use these cases inside your letters or complaints, it sends a clear message that you understand your rights and expect a real investigation. This increases the chances of getting inaccurate or unauthorized items removed from your report. You also get guidance on how to defend yourself if a collector or servicer ever tries to sue you. The playbook shows you how to challenge their evidence, request dismissal, and expose the fact that many collectors cannot provide the documents required to legally pursue a claim. This alone gives consumers a major advantage. Another important section teaches you how to clean your personal information. Incorrect names, addresses, birth dates, or employers create mismatches that lead to reporting errors. Fixing your personal file first makes every other dispute more effective. The playbook also includes strategies for removing unauthorized inquiries, disputing late payments, challenging collections, correcting charge-offs, and addressing repossessions, each with the exact legal grounds you need. Finally, the playbook teaches you how to escalate through the CFPB when your disputes are ignored or improperly verified. This adds pressure and forces companies to respond. If you want to learn how to use this playbook step by step and get mentorship through the process, text the word mentor to 917-993-5238. Your defense starts now. Your freedom starts today.